Good afternoon, it's Deanna from Futures Past, and I just got this in the mail. It's another one of my Victorian Mourning hair jewelry watch fob chains. And this one's really pretty. It has a lovely dangling fob down the center. I believe that's a seed pearl in the middle. I have to check and find out if this is actually 10 karat or 14 karat gold. It looks like it may be gold. It has gold-filled work, metal work all throughout. Has a T-bar, and here's the hair weaving pattern. It's quite amazing. I really love the workmanship on these old Mourning hair jewelry pieces. It's quite amazing. Somebody spent a long time weaving this hair. So yeah, I thought I'd share it with you. Once again, thank you for watching another one of my videos. And if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up.